How to change calendar size in Notion. Hello and welcome back to our channel, beautiful people. Today we're going to learn how to change the calendar size in Notion. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct way to manually resize a calendar block in Notion. However, you can adjust its appearance and layout in a few ways. The first one would be zoom in and zoom out. So if you press Control plus minus or Control and plus on your keyboard, just like that, I'm going to show it to you. So if you press that, then you can change the layout of the calendar as a whole by changing the size of the screen as a whole. So right now it is being small. And if you want to make it bigger, then just press Ctrl and plus on your keyboard and you can make this zoomed in just like that. So I hope you guys learn how to change the calendar size in your Notion. So if you want the full calendar, you can always tap on Open in Calendar or the Open as Full Page button, and it will have an endless calendar of the years and months if you scroll right down. So I hope you guys learned how to change the calendar size in Notion. If you learned it, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, stay tuned for more. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.